Hello again, Lazo from LaZooRo Coins, and this is third and giant mystery box. We have a couple of kilos here, so let's open it and see what is inside. I will make these tactics. I will open. Oh, some coins are falling out. We have albums. Okay, we have some common coins. Let's check together. Okay, some nonsense. Okay, what is this? This is not coin, religious medal, 100 race, 50 Fanning, Germany. Okay, let me see. This small album. Is it full or what is this? Okay, some zloty, some bunny. Oh, nothing special. Okay, some medals, I think. Yeah, some medals. Okay, nothing special. Oh, some. This is buttons and strange things. I believe these are metal detecting finds. Could be. Okay, nothing exciting. Okay, also this, nothing too much. Okay, put here. Some small again. How do we? Canada dollars. Oh, never seen this before. Yeah, but no dollars. These are this album, but these are at Granny, Malta Granny. I don't know if these are the real coins. Some silver, half dollar, some 50 kopeki, Russian coins. What is this? Ireland, New Zealand. Oh, this coin is great. 2 lira 19.7. This is good coin. Fell out or something. Oh, there are also some good coins here. Yeah, we saw this before. Congo, Belgisch Congo. This is 10 lira. Some Italian coins, pre-unitary. Congo again. 1 dime, US dime. This, I don't know what is this. Looks like metal detecting coins. Oh, 1929. This is good year. These are also great coins. Great coins. Strange finds here. Yeah, probably all detectorists find. Okay, not bad. That was a great album. What is? Oh, this is something big. Let's start with this one. What? Oh, what is this? This is like Venezuela coin. Yes, Venezuela. It's whole album. From collector. Cuba. Yes. Argentina. Cuba. Is it? No, Peru. So this is South America. Okay. Costa Rica. But yeah, these are fairly common coins. Aluminium, bronze, some nickel coins. Nothing too exciting. Probably no silver in here, but yeah. Ecuador, Chile. Oh, many coins, but these are like, yeah, one coin 50 cents. Yeah, that's right. These are cheap coins, quite cheap. It was written, but most of these coins I believe you won't get €0.5. Argentina, oh, many coins. Dominica, what is this? All very common coins, but some coins I never saw before. I mean, only some. Others are, you see, very common. This kind could be also silver, but nothing here. Some are strange, yes. Never saw them before. Bolivia, Colombia, Brazil, Honduras. Well, okay. It's a full album. It's heavy, full album. Cruzeiros, Brazil, old stainless steel coins. Newer coins, I believe these are circulating coins. Some older Italian. Shouldn't be here probably. Oh yeah, see, some mix, but mostly yes. These are still circulation, I believe. Nothing exciting. Yeah, cool album. Yes, but you see, it's cheap. Okay, something bigger now. Oh, again. Yeah, these are very common coins, but you see, I have many plastic now album. Oh yeah. Egypt. What is this? Yugoslavia, Egypt. Some mixed coins. Albania. Egypt. Many commemorative coins. These are quite scarce, but no big value here. Something old. It's Tunis. Oh yeah. Egypt is good, yeah. Many different coins, but no value, yes. It was written. 50. Quindark, Albania. Feeler, Hungary. Hungarian coins. Some mixed Spanish, Indonesia, Yugoslavia, Greek. Mix, but not too old, not too good. Maybe some have better quality, but they are very common. Yeah. Poland, third. Iraq, I think, yes. Yeah, nothing special. Yes, nothing special here. The ruble, 10 ruble. Korea. What is this? Spain, Greece, Japan. Nothing. Mixed, but yeah. This is one beer, or even more, in Prague. It is how much is this? Is it 50? Oh, can get 5 beers. Argentina. These older coins are in poor condition, so yeah, that's why no value. Because the grade, if grade would be higher, that would be also some value. Okay, now nothing. That's it, yeah, that's it. So, Greek coins, these are very valuable, but only in uncirculated grades. Yeah, ammonia, strange one. Well, interesting, but okay. Let's see if there is €1 coins, not only half. It's empty, looks like it's empty. Nothing. I got empty album. This is also empty. Oh no, no coins. No coins, just albums, but what should I do with them? Yeah, no coins. Probably good coins were inside once, but now, oh, no coins. Damn. This interesting albums. Never saw such albums. What is this? Well, let us see. This one looks full, but is it one? It's Italian. Oh, it's Italian album, but very common coins. Yeah, very common coins. These are not okay. These are not okay. Yeah. They're all very common. No value here. No value. Zloty. Maybe something for exchange. There's no good coins. All these coins are very common and no value. Oh, even one sixpence in silver, but yeah. Nothing else. Oh, awful. Oh, I should turn this one. Any better coins inside? What are these? I don't recognize this. Ireland. What is this? And tokens. Sweden, Russia. These are nice. These are nice. And that's it. Oh, $1 Canada. This is nice. 5 francs Monaco. 5 francs is another one. So there's €10 and 2. Oh, that's okay. What is this? 5 francs Monaco, but aluminium. 2 kroner Denmark. What is this? Ireland, Denmark. That's it. Nothing exciting. Nothing great. This empty. No. It's one. Oh no. It's again 50-cent album. So again, very common coins. I doubt there will be anything better. Yeah, very common coins. Maybe this one's some coins could be exchanged or still circulating. Some older coins, but nothing really good. Yeah, shame. Yeah. I will check some years if they're better years, but not looking great, not looking great. So we are already almost at the end. Oh, something fell apart. Probably Canadian coins. Album permanente. Oh, it's empty. It's empty. Strange album. It's really strange album. So nothing inside. Nothing. So strange. Nothing. Unfortunately, this one. It's one coin fell out. But also this one is empty. So package is huge because of empty albums. So no luck here. All these small albums are dirty and not good. Not good. I don't need them. Yeah, all empty. So it's shame. Some coins. But yeah, nothing good. Nothing good. The last album, it's also empty. So this mystery box was terrible. And nothing. So that's it. That's it. My attempt with the first mystery box was terrible. Gold coins. Nothing. Okay, that's it for mystery box. See you at the fourth. Maybe some better luck. Okay. Bye.